So today I'm going to show you how to lock your Cash App debit card in case you lost it, it was stolen, or you just don't want to be using it at this current time. So we're going to be logged in here on our Cash App account on our iOS device. So keep in mind that if you are on Android, this might look a little bit different for you. So here on the main page, we're going to look down here towards the bottom icons, and we're going to click on the card icon for us, which is going to take us to our card information. And if we actually scroll down our eyes here just a little bit, you're going to see a section here that says lock our card, and it's currently toggled off. And if we go ahead and toggle this on, it actually has a little animation that shows that our card has been officially locked and it cannot be used anywhere that the card is already attached to, or physically at any locations, or even on our Apple Wallet or any other device. Now, the nice thing is to unlock it, you just go ahead and retoggle that off, and then within a few moments after our Face ID, it will go ahead and have that unlocked and ready for us to use again. Now, there is more to teach you when it comes to using Cash App, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and take care of you and have another video up here for you to keep on learning when it comes to using Cash App.